1. Adina and Sergio's first kiss was in a car at a lookout. 3, 2, 1. Time. The answer is true. Almonds as a wedding favor originated from a Greek legend. Giving almonds as a wedding favor originated from a Greek legend. 3, 2, 1. Time. I heard somebody say, was it you that said it was not very Greek? It says true. Yeah. Not bad. All right, let's ask one from around the world to thin you guys out a little bit. Queen Victoria's wedding cake weighed a total of about 136 kilograms. 3, 2, 1. Time. The answer is true. Gone. 2 left. Okay, who got 2 left, do we, for our first round? Coming up to the front. Adina and Sergio want at least 4 children. I'm going to lock that in, because usually this game will go forever. The answer, well, it's one of these ones you're going to win. The answer is false. They just want 2. Well done, Gabriella.